Those shapes on TikTok are misguiding them. Most of them, they bring fetish things. Disorganize the Muslims. In Ramadan, they are talking of the nation. Small things, Islam, don't do it. In Salah, this, which are not the basis of our religion. But they are using it to disorganize, unite the Muslim. Lord, we kusaba Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ili yaffe energy abateka omukisa era tusikebwe ebirungi tusibezenga tulibomu twagana ne program za School Council atubere kasobere ne bannaffe abadufo ebirimu ekitawaana
waliyoka
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
By doing so, we are also involved in different programs that are aimed to bring the Muslims at the forefront of the national agenda. The Uganda Muslim School Council spearheaded the production of a parliamentary paper that was presented to the parliamentary committee aimed at bringing forth the Muslim Marriage Act. This is still a bill, but it is something that our Directorate of Sharia and the Council have been greatly involved, and we appeal to government